Hey, Rudy Guru, aka Soccer God, Studio One Live Production. Got on chatgtp, man, and I was editing my book, and there's a graph that I want to describe in my book. So I asked it a question to see if it can help me, and it looks like it can. So as I'm scrolling back to the beginning of this conversation here, let's start and say, what did I start out with? Okay. I want to create an animation of the following prompt. Math, Cartesian graph, blah, blah, blah. Describes the positions, etc., etc. And then it gives me a layout. Design the graph framework, X, Y, and Z axis. Define the spirit's path. And add visual cues. Choose a software tool. Python, MapRead, Blender. Implement the animation. Export and refine. But I say, yeah, but first I would like to describe how the charting goes. So I explained to them these event clusters. I describe the actions of how we're going to chart this graph. So event clusters, I'm going to read this. Event clusters is a term to describe each plot. Example, each event cluster will have a list of scenarios starting with a desire or fear, in this which causes you to move along the x-axis, and then that causes an action, whether it's in the positive direction or negative direction, on the z-axis, and this result in either love or hate being caused, hurt or pain, or help and comfort on the y-axis. And to run a simulation of this particle, we would create event clusters. Like an example, a person got a desire of +3 and acted in a +5 manner and resulted in, let's say +5 because on the y-axis, because maybe he saved a life or something like that effect. You can also create a cluster that will say the minus fear caused no action, and a minus fear because his fear froze him, causing him to be hit by a car. Something like that. And we can make up event clusters just to get an idea of how the spirit particle will move about space-time. Yeah. So it's set to simulate the spirit particle move with these event clusters here, how you can approach it. Structure the event clusters. Define each event cluster as a data structure. Example, Python dictionary or a JSON object. Python code. Generate event clusters. So here it says create a list of clusters, simulate a series, here's your list. Bracket, desire, fear, boop, 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 boop. Plot, initial movement. You can use a plot layer like matplotlib or 3D graphs in Python to map the spirit's particle movement. Here's a code for your matplotlib. Then you can animate the movement with this Python file, right? Refine the rubber. Can you do still pictures of this in HTML? I want to do HTML right now. That's what the video about.